Hello, this is Lolly. I recently purchased this box from Echo Park, and what they did was they announced on their Facebook page that they were doing a clearance sale. So out of their warehouse, you could buy a box for $50 shipped, and it would have over $200 worth of merchandise in it, and they gave you some examples of what could be included. So I have slit the box open. I think it's going to be easier if I move, oh, look at this. If I move this aside so there's not all this glare and I can show you one item at a time. Okay, so here we go. First thing I see is the stencil here. Cute little bunnies. It's a 6x6. And this one, which is sailboats. And it's just called sailboats. Okay. Ooh, and then mini paper fans. This is the Summer Dreams collection. And mini paper fans wedding collection, though you really can't tell it, like it's a wedding theme. They're really pretty colors. Layered stickers from the Once Upon a Time collection. And then, ooh, pretty decorative brads. So they've got the enamel ones and the rhinestone ones and some chipboard. Very pretty. And this is from the Good Day Sunshine collection. Okay, I see decorative paperclip bows, and it says it's the Rockabye Baby collection, but again, you can't tell if that's baby themed at all. They can be used for anything. And then this one, Easter. Oh, celebrate Easter. How cute. Look at the little bunnies. So very springy. Okay, I see we're getting into some Christmas stuff here. This is a Very Merry Christmas decorative rub-ons. Got the little stick here, and so you just lay it over your paper and you rub and rub and rub until this image sticks to your cardstock. And then this is enamel shapes. Looks like it's, there you go. Cabin Fever, Bear Hugs, etc. These are all enamel stickers. Nice. Very cute. And now we have some bows that are not on paper clips. These are Hello Fall. And these ones are Cabin Fever. Let's see, and stamp set, and this one is Summertime, Walking on Sunshine. It's called I Love Sunshine, 4x6 stamp set. And the next one is Beach Day stamp set. Very cute. It looks like we have a pack of chipboard phrases from the Good Day Sunshine. I think this is the only pack of chipboard stickers that I see in here. Granted, every box is going to be different. You really should follow Echo Park on Facebook so you can see when they do this again. We've got washi. This one is Deck the Halls, which is red and green stripes. This one is just says silhouettes, and it looks like children playing. Okay, and I see a 6-inch paper pad, Country Kitchen. Oh, how cute. You can see the patterns in here. Canning jars and cooking and chickens and barns and farmyard animals. Ooh, I love polka dots. And this is dots and stripes. So I've been hesitant to really open anything up because, yeah, there. Because I'm not sure which items I'm going to keep and which items I'm going to give away yet. So I do use some products like this brand new, and I use them as giveaways on my channel. So there's dots on one side, stripes on the other. They're nice colors. And they're like 2 of each, so once you've seen one set, you've seen them both. Very cute. I'm a big polka dot fan. Okay, this is some punch outs. See how they're little punch outs. Oh, and these are the crafting ones. I love crafting. I think the best way to store these is going to be for me to punch them out and store them in like a clear bag, because otherwise they just want to fall out of this. They want to start coming out as I pick it up. They start punching out on their own. And I can't tell. Oh, here it is. It tells you what the collection is. No, it doesn't say it. This is Echo Park Die Cuts. Yeah, I don't know what collection this is, but it looks like it's all about family. And, ooh, another one. This one is all the pale blue winter, which I really like. I've done a lot with that color theme. Okay, and next is some 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. This one is The Sweet Girl by Lori Whitlock, and there's the other side. This one is We Are a Family by Lori Whitlock, so it's got the 4x6 cut-aparts, and the other side, very cute. This one is the part of the dots and stripes, but it's the big size. And this one is For the Record. I love this. And this would make great paperclip charms, and the other side's cute too, but this would be really cute on the paperclip charms. And now we have some of the 12-inch collections. This one is 12 by 12 double-sided papers. And so it's Dots and Stripes Valentine theme. So pink, red, burgundy, and black. Really cute. There's the back of it. So you can see all of the patterns right there. This is going to get glary, I'm sorry. More dots and stripes, and these ones are 6 12 by 12 double-sided because they have foil. There's less paper, so you can see what comes in there. Mints, and this really beautiful blue, and some pink, and the brown. Ooh, and now we have collections that are 12-inch Old World Travel, and this is like a whole set. It has 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So this is the sticker sheet. Very cool. And then all the papers in the collection are here. Very old world. Oh man, I love these papers here like that. Oh, it looks like a map. Very adorable. Oh no, looky. Magic and wonder. I'm so happy to get this. I love this color scheme, and I love the whole Disney vibe that you get. So same thing, 12 of the 12 by 12 double-sided papers and one sticker set. And here's the sticker sheet. Very fun. I love it. And you can see the papers right here. Oh, so fun. That's adorable. Not sure that what I would do with this one, because it's just, even my grandsons, they really aren't into this kind of thing, but the Dino Friends, very cute. Here's the sticker sheet. And there's, you can see the papers in the collection. And one more, and this is the final thing in here. This is Christmas Delivery. You can see the collection of the papers. Very beautiful. I love the burgundy and the deep forest green colors. And then here is the sticker sheet. So besides this, one of the things that they do in these collections, I'm sorry I haven't been showing you, but it's the cut-aparts. So they have the 4x6s and the 3x4s, that kind of thing. So those are the cut-aparts for that one, the cut-aparts for the Dino one, and the cut-aparts. There's 3 sheets of cut-aparts for the Disney one, and 2 sheets for the World Travel. So that is a lot. There were 4 of these big collections. There were 2 of these that are papers, no stickers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, individual sheets of cardstock, double-sided. 1, 2, 3 of these punch-out ones. Definitely need to finish punching those out. 1 8x8 pad, 1 6x6 pad, 2 stamp sets, 2 packs of decorative bows, 2 packs of bow paper clips, 1 set of the brads, 1 set of the 3D stickers, 1 enamel sticker, 1 ribbon, 2 washies, 1 set of chipboard, and 2 of these paper fan embellishments, and 2 stencils. Well worth it. So make sure you follow Echo Park and Cartabella on Facebook so you can be in on the next warehouse sale. Thank you for watching.